John C. Maxwell once said that a leader knows the way, goes the way, and shows the way. So whenever a person guides you, don't take it in a negative way, but take it positively and follow it. Because most of us learn many of our mistakes from experience, and experience is how we lead our life. A very warm good evening to Gavilier of the Day, fellow Gaviliers and Toastmaster. Good evening. A leader is someone who stands not only for his or her purpose, but stands to take up responsibility and to motivate many other individuals. There is a vast difference between a boss and a leader. A leader is a person who motivates an individual and gives hope that he makes higher aims and has possibility to attain that aim. Whereas a boss always supervises over his subordinates. Power naturally comes to the leader, but this power is not a tool of the leader. Leadership is not a quality, but it is the behavior of an individual. A leader works hard, self-study, training, evaluation, and embedding positive attitude is a characteristic of a good leader. The leader assertively works towards his aim and never gets pushy. A leader showcases a positive attitude and high self-esteem. Situations are never in our hand, but reactions can always be controlled. A leader gives hope to their group members and shows the brighter side of the picture. It has also been noticed that people choose their good leader basing on his characteristics, and a good leader gets trust and confidence from their members. For example, when there is a leader, whenever it gives commands over a large number of people, the leader from a national, international level, there is a huge influence. But when the leader is of a small group of an organization, the influence is limited. But both are right in their case. Leadership is an influential process. The leader is in a position to shape, regulate, control, and change the behavior, attitude, and the performance of the group members. The latter are supposed to comply with the former's desires and directives, and slowly put in their suggestions, judgments, and discretion. There exists a particular relationship between the leader and the group members, which is characterized by interpersonal and social interaction. I also put in many leadership skills and help people, giving them choices so that they can make the best out of what I have given to them. Not making some cold and bad excuses on what they have shown. It's not that they have done something wrong, but you just give a better choice to them. That's a quality of a leader. Arohi, my elder cousin sister, last year she had a trip, adventure trip to a place. So before she had gone there, the teacher in charge had asked her to prepare a full agenda on how the trip will go, how will they spend their days, days and nights, how will they spend, and it was an adventure trip. So there was lots of adventure going to happen. So she had to give the agenda the next day itself. She was very dedicated since childhood. She always had a dream to become a leader and just guide people so that people give her importance and she does her work properly. She sat entire night making the agenda, forming it. She worked really hard. Next day when she gave it to the teacher, the sir was very happy with her work and appointed her the leader of the entire team. So when they visited the place, the natural beauty and everybody thanked her for preparing such a well-planned trip. But later on they had faced a lot of problems in water was not available, food was not there, and many other problems. One night night she sat in her tent and she was so depressed. She was like too much unhappy that why did she take up the responsibility. But then she remembered, a leader always faces challenges in the path of life. She remembered about the great leaders such as Mahatma Gandhi, Lal Bahadur Shastri, Mother Teresa, etc. These people suffered a lot in their life. What has she done? She felt really small and really sad. So the next day, she was up with a new hope. She did everything properly. She managed to fulfill every member's needs, basic needs, whatever problems they had. She just solved them, and the rest of the time they spent really happily, and they had a good trip. So no complaints about her. The sir was also really happy that she managed to solve all the problems of the members. Then she understood that leadership, be it big or small, always has some of the big problems.